Dave here with Road Trip Rich, and while we were exploring some other graves here at Frankfort Cemetery in Frankfort, Kentucky, we came across this. Lieutenant Presley O'Bannon. He was the first one to raise a U.S. flag on foreign soil. So when you hear the Marine hymn from the shores of Tripoli, this is really what they're talking about here. Lived to the ripe old age of 74, but a beautiful monument. Only damaged by this ugly guy. Rich, what do you got to say about this? Shores of Tripoli, come on. Yeah, that's a first. We need to come here more often. This is the military monument for the state of Kentucky. Really a beautiful park here.